briefly share the journey of Ananda the last couple of years in Ananda Chandigarh. Our first meeting was on this date, 15th March, but in 2015, that is now 11 years ago. We had a place in Sector 11, and Dhyanaji had asked Brahmachari, Devendra, who is now Nyaswami Devendra and looking after Ahmedabad, and Brahmachari Amit, who is now a householder and looking after the center with his wife in Pune. So they came on the 15th, they were asked to come. But I was alone, I didn't know what to do, who to call. And then Shweta, she came to my rescue. She was with the Delhi Ananda, and her home is here, her mother lives here. So she came and helped me and made a lot of calls, and we got about 15-20 people, including Satya, Dhamendra, they were there. Ashish Sachdeva, they not come.
He's coming.
He's coming. He was there from day one, and some other. So anyway, we had that meeting, and some of them showed interest. But then nothing happened. Then in April, what happened was Dhyanaji sent Chichilia and Vivek, I don't know if you know, they were with Ananda. They were sent to Chandigarh. And Chichilia gave a beautiful talk on Master's Divine Healing Techniques and all. And she seemed to like the place. So Dhyanaji said, you look after Chandigarh. So, but that year they came very infrequently and nothing much happened. But towards the end of the year, that is in 15, they became serious and they said we come regularly. And February 16, there was a public program and Neeruji, Preminderji, there was Indrajit and many others. 8-10 of them who registered for level 1 classes. So then it became more regular. And our first Kriya initiation was on 2nd of April 2017. Nyaswami Devrishi came from Pune. He was based in Pune then, and he did the ceremony. So then we had another one a year later. So, but then in 19, what happened was Cecilia and Louis, they decided to shift to Italy. So we were at a loss what will happen. But Master's always there. So he, at Mandya's house in Sector 9, her sister Vasudha and Amit Rohit, they came and started some satsangs and classes. And since there were no teachers, we decided that we should have some local teachers. So that time, Naveen and Harpriya, they underwent informal training for taking level 1, level 2 classes, which has come very handy, and not only that, they've gone up to level 3, 4 also. So anyway, and so then Naveen hosted the satsang in his house for some months. What happened in March 2020, COVID hit us, and everything was locked down, we couldn't meet, but we didn't give up. We started online satsang. So every Sunday we used to have an online satsang. And 15-20 people were always there on that Sunday, on a Sunday. This went on for 2 years, till end of 2020 and 21. End of 20, and 2020 September, another positive happened. Nyaswami Devrishi and the monks, they decided to shift to Chandigarh. They just came, they said we want to come here and buy land and make a monastery, which seemed like a big dream, but as you can see the dream is coming true now. So they are very much here. So and they only said that you should have a proper center here, Shankara and Devrishi. So then in 5th of March, 5th of January, Master's birthday, in January 22, we took a place in Sector 19 and inaugurated the center. But soon thereafter, Preminderji very kindly said that this place was available, and this is a much better place than that. So anyway, on Swamiji's birthday, that was in May 19th, 22, shifted here. And since then it has been here, it has grown, and people have come and it's doing well. And currently, Preminderji, Naveenji, Neeru, and all of you are looking after and doing well. So I wish you all the best, and I'm sure you'll continue doing well. One more thing I want to share, which I was asked to share, is that I had the good fortune of meeting Swami Kriyananda, the founder of Ananda, a few times in summer of 2008. I had gone to Ananda village, which is the headquarters of Ananda, and there were 10, 12 of us who had gone on a pilgrimage, and Swamiji was there, and so we had a close interaction. So he asked me, where are you from? So I said, I'm from Chandigarh. He said, oh, I know Chandigarh. I've been there, I've been to Patiala, I know Punjab. He said, you know, Punjab has the most beautiful energy, positive energy. He said, if I ever have to be born again, I would like to be born in Punjab.
Oh.
He said that to me. So he said, but I don't think I want to come back. That was he wanted moksha. But he's not there. But Ananda and his work has now come to Punjab. And come to Punjab, and not only it's come and it's spreading. Now we have Chandigarh, we have Ludhiana, there is Jalandhar, and recently Patiala, they had an outreach. So I think Swamiji's blessing and his work, and Devrishi feels that this Punjab was kept, this is the best for the last, that he feels that Swamiji had wanted it, of course Master wanted it, so the teachings here are spreading, and so we're very happy to be part of all this, and again congratulations to all of you, Naveen ji, Prem, Neeru, and all the rest for doing what you're doing. Thank you.
Oh, wonderful.
Thank you, Mom. So I just thought, you know, she's very nicely told the whole story of Ananda Chandigarh, and I would also like to appreciate that General Saab and Mom.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot to mention
No.
that.
Like
No.
It's me. No difference.
So शुरू में जब चंडीगढ़ शुरू हुआ है ना,
You were speaking through me. Oh, don't worry about
No, I just want one
Don't
sentence.
worry. You want to embarrass me. Sit down. मैं फौजी भी बन जाता हूँ.
मैं दोनों को embarrass कर देती हूँ.
नहीं बिल्कुल प्रिया बैठ जाओ.
अच्छा,
बच्चे तू सुंदर सा शब्द सुना.
अच्छा नहीं कोई बात.
Wastage of time.
So why it is such a beautiful center, such beautiful devotees, such beautiful leaders. So I said, what are the qualities we need to learn? And not only for spiritual success for the center, for spiritual success in our lives. First principle is say yes to life. और जब आपसे कोई बोलता है ना, जैसे कोई सीनियर ने कुछ बोला, ये मत सोचो कि वो मेरे से सेवा ले रहे हैं, वो गुरु पूछ रहे हैं. तो हमारा फर्ज है कि हमने हाँ बोलनी है. तो जब ध्याना जी ने मॉम को बोला कि आप शुरू करो, ओके लेट्स डू इट. फिर जनरल साहब वुड कम. कई बारी दो जाने होते थे, वो फूल लेके आते थे, दिया जलता था. एक आधी बारी हम होते थे, प्रेमेंद्र जी होते थे. अगर 7-8 जाने हो जाते थे ना, बहुत लोग आ गए आज तो, बहुत हमारा सेंटर बहुत चल गया है ना. But the thing is the consistency of showing up Sunday after Sunday after Sunday. I can count on my fingers अगर कोई दिन बंद होगा सेंटर संडे को, whether 1 came, 2 came, 3 came. एक बार तो आशीष जी आए गुड़गांव से क्लास लेने, और एक स्टूडेंट आए, और we were so embarrassed कि उनको हमने गुड़गांव से बुलाया और कोई आया ही नहीं. And he was so encouraging. He says, Christ has said, where 2 or more are gathered in my name, I am there in the midst of them. तो हमारा जो फर्ज है, we have to show up, we have to say yes to life. So जब you know things 11 sector house was not available, नवीन जी सर हमारे घर कर लो. फिर वो कहते हैं आप टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग कर लो. फिर हम so out of these 11 years, I think for 8 years, Dharmender and I were part of the Chandigarh Center. Premendra ji, Neeru ji, we were the first batch. So you can take credit for Ludhiana Center because we are graduates of Chandigarh only. And we have done, you can say, a spiritual internship over here. Everything we have learned, it's nice to be giving a satsang after so long. So I think we should just see that we are one big family, you know, together in God's love. So when we say yes to life, there is a divine grace which flows. You know, we should not worry कि ये कैसे होगा, ये कैसे, अरे गुरु का काम है, हमारी spiritual life है, पर हाँ बोलना हमारा फर्ज है. उससे you know, miracles happen. We are seen whenever we show up with our full energy, with enthusiasm. You know, the meaning of the word enthusiasm means entheos, in God. Anything we do enthusiastically, we bring that divine energy with us. और उसका opposite क्या है? My favorite topic. Maya's favorite instrument is doubt. तो जब हमारी life में doubt create हो जाता है, especially towards a spiritual path, be very alert. It is the work of Maya trying to shake you, trying to destabilize you, trying to put that thought in your mind. एक बार ही हमने गुरु ले लिया, साधना ले ली, हमने वाव ले लिया क्रिया योगा का, discipleship का ले लिया, then we should have unshakable faith. We have a true guru, we have a true path, we have a beautiful center. So there should be no space for any sort of doubt. That is because doubt में क्या है, maybe this, maybe not, maybe not. उसको देखो इतने साल meditate कर रहे हैं, उसको तो कुछ क्या हुआ नहीं, वो तो वैसे ही गुस्सा कर रहे हैं. So this is also Maya trying to sow that seed in your mind. And you know, there was a person like this in Ananda who was, I don't know what the fault was, but had a very obvious fault, and everybody knew. I think they were either very materialistic or had some temper issues, so they went to Swamiji. Said, उसमें तो इतने साल meditate वो तो ऐसे ही है. कहते, you have no idea what saint is behind that person. They say the moment that person gives up that one fault, that person is a saint. So rather than, you know, judging people like that, see the saints who are here. See how humble they are. See how grounded they are. In Ananda we have many saints. So, you know, we should seek their company and try and catch the tricks. अगर हमने center आना है आज मेरा, you know, तबीयत नहीं ठीक है. कई बार, you know, we call up people, special event is happening, and they, why didn't you come? मैम पूरा plan था, पर ना तबीयत खराब हो गई हमारी. अरे, that is Maya's way of tricking you. I'll give you personally, I'll give an example. Like Naveen ji was also there, we had events in Patiala, spiritual fair tha. So एक दिन my throat and chest got so bad. इतनी बुरी infection मेरे को कभी हुई नहीं. And normally I don't take medicines कि हो जाएगी ठीक. At middle of the night at 3 o'clock I woke up कि जैसे गला बैठने वाला है. Then I said, Maya, you are trying to stop me from talking. I said, मैंने नहीं तेरी बात मानी. तो उसी दिन रात को 3 बजे उठ के एंटीबायोटिक शुरू की और सारी कॉफ सिरप्स मंगाई अगले दिन. I went back on the inhaler. All my inhalers were expired because I didn't need. I said, I will do everything, but this throat you cannot stop. I don't want to call up Naveen ji and say, I can't speak at the spiritual fair. Naveen ji, मेरी तबीयत खराब है ना. तो we should see. और जब हम ये energy gather कर लेते हैं ना, then the Maya को interest नहीं है हमारी game में. अरे ये तो मेरे हाथ से निकल गया. You know, so we have to have that firm resolve. If we have made up our mind to meditate, we have made up our mind to come to the center, we have made up our mind for any spiritual endeavor. Just see who is dissuading us, who is that person, what is that voice in my head. That quiet voice we have to catch. And I'll give another example. So last year जब इंडो पाक का वो जो थोड़ा वॉर शुरू हुआ था, उस टाइम हमने level 1 अनाउंस कर दिया. कैलाश जी gave very nice, he did our promotion. In fact, we had to tell कैलाश please stop. 100 हो गए हैं, मतलब सेंटर में 25-30 आ सकते, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. Everything is going well. In the middle, the war has started. Then we were stuck. We have taken registrations. We have everything set up. Now what do we do? Do we do the class? And I also called up Naveen ji. I said, Naveen ji, war का क्या हो रहा है? He said, ma'am, I can't give you any information. This is classified. I thought कि थोड़ी inside information मिल जाए कि war खत्म है कि अब. So see, now war is an energy of darkness. Meditation class is an energy of light. We have to see in that also there is a battle of light and darkness. Where the world is trying to raise darkness, we are trying to raise light. So we tried till the very end. I said, class. Then I called up some devotees. I said, क्या करें class का? कल हमारी class है, आज तक war चल रहा है. So everybody, the answer came from wait till 6 p.m. 6 p.m. तक wait करो, क्योंकि नवीन जी ने भी मेरे को answer दिया. फिर हमने पूछा कि 6 बजे तक चलो wait कर लेते हैं. किसी और को phone बोलते थे 6 बजे तक wait करो. फिर 5 बजे ceasefire declare हो गया. So हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. The class continued. It was a full class. So what we are saying is that when we are serving the Guru, when anyone is asking of us, when we have made a spiritual resolve, we must stick to it and not let any obstacle come in its way. That is for personal success or for any work that we are doing. And the second thing is to have attunement. What is the Guru even asking us to do? We have to be very clear. It is not coming from a point of ego. It is coming from alignment with the Guru. You know, this darkness की story, even Swami ji mentioned, जब वो नया स्वामी order बना रहे थे, तो कहते कि बहुत हर time ये idea आता था नया स्वामी order का, there would be something would happen and that it wouldn't happen. Then finally, I think in 2009, he was in Italy. Again the thought came, then he got it. He says this was Maya trying to stop it. कि ये पहले क्यों नहीं successful हुआ? कहते ये तो Maya is a dark force putting all sorts of thoughts, or then he figured it out, and that's when he came up. He said this has to happen. And same with Master. Once this again story is coming, you know, Master had hurt his foot, and he had a lot of classes lined up for that weekend. So सब बोलते Master पैर पे चोट लगी है, classes. He says no, classes will happen. He says this is only Maya testing. So we have to see in our lives also, you know, little bit cold, cough, headache, ठीक है, मतलब चलेगा ना. You have to show up where you have to show up. So this, for spiritual warriors, we have to catch that little delusion which comes in our mind and stops us from taking that step. Because you know, in the end, what Asha Nayaswamy, some of you follow her, says a very beautiful thing. कहते जो ups and downs हैं, everything gets cancelled. Law of karma, law of duality, all positive and negative karma in the end will all balance out. Only what will remain are the moments when we have touched God. Those are the only real moments, and those are the only moments will remain. So you know, like a pearl necklace, we should catch those beads when we've had deep experiences, deep meditations. And all these things happen when we are in a satsang. So when we come for maybe a Christmas meditation or a Shivratri program or these high energy days, or we go for a retreat, or we go for a pilgrimage, where you know this energy is supportive, and we can see that we have very, very deep experiences. So as yogis, we have to seek out that. We have to hunt for those experiences. And even in our meditation, it's possible at home also, but this energy supports. So that is the treasure we have to earn. Those moments in our life where we have touched God. And that is our, you know, resolve. So now I'll come to the part of attunement. Means that we have to see what is Guru asking of us. जैसे अगर हमें कोई बोल रहा है कुछ तो it is Guru's seeking, and try and tune yourself to read correctly. So हम थोड़े पंजाबी ओवर enthusiastic है ना, तो जब monks आए लैंड देखने, हमने कहा हम भी लैंड खरीदेंगे, हम भी रिट्रीट बनाएंगे, हम भी आश्रम बनाएंगे. And वो बात मतलब बन नहीं रही, पर enthusiasm तो है ना, वो ड्रीम अभी भी है. Then suddenly, and it's not happening. And then I realized, ऐसे बंदे तो चाहिए, आश्रम बना के क्या करेंगे? तो अभी put it on the back burner. 100-200 बंदे हो चंडीगढ़ लुधियाना के इकट्ठा, तो क्यों नहीं हम खरीदेंगे जमीन और एक रिट्रीट बनाएंगे, हम 1-2 हफ्ते आके रह सकते हैं गुरुज वाइब्रेशन. Why should we hire Tethys or some other resort for our retreats, है ना? So it's good to be enthusiastic, but if it's not happening, you're not going to sell everything and buy land and sit there. Master saying, wait, right now is not the right time. Then I also spoke to Shankaraji. He, in fact, my enthusiasm was so high, he even spoke to Jyotish and Devi ji in America. कि ये idea बन रहा है retreat का. Okay, he also said now is not the right time. He says अभी retreats, land लेने का time सही नहीं है. Then you understand Master saying pause. So मतलब जोश में आके भी हमें फिर भी उनकी बात सुननी पड़ती है. एक और बड़ी अच्छी story आशा जी again she tells. अनंदा की litigation चल रही थी कुछ I think with the city council. And obviously everyone in litigation feels we are right. So Ananda people felt we were right, and they lost the case. So and then Asha ji, of course, because judge ne to hamare points hi nahi sune. We've lost the case, so of course we will appeal. She held a press conference. We are going to appeal. And then she went up to Swamiji. Swamiji, we've lost the case. He says, you're going to appeal? He says, have you asked Master? So she said, no. मतलब ये भी पॉइंट होता है कि इतनी बड़ी डिसीजन के पहले गुरु को पूछना चाहिए, मतलब ये. So he says, let me go and ask Master. He went inside, he meditated for a while, and he came back and he said, Master saying not to appeal. And then she said, I have to feel very sorry. जो press conference मैंने बुलाया था, उनको मेरे को बोलना पड़ा कि नहीं Master ने बोला. I mean, she didn't say Master, she said no, we're not going to appeal. So sometimes what our logical mind is telling us, what Guru wants, we have to open our ears and listen. What is Guru wanting? And act according to that. So that is a practice. And when do we get that guidance from the Guru? When we sit in stillness, when we sit in our meditation room, when we are completely quiet, are we getting it in the right direction? So again, like this Patiala event, since it was very recent, Dev Rishi ji को idea आया कि जहाँ स्वामी क्रियानंदा जी गए थे ना, वहाँ पे जाके event करते हैं. And he was also surprised कि 2 हफ्ते में event plan हो गया. Principal was so happy कि तुम मेरे कॉलेज आ रहे हो, तुम इतने हो, 2 events उन्होंने time दे दिया, सब बच्चे, because we were in tune कि जो स्वामी जी ने किया है उसकी लाइन में हमने चीज की है, तो the doors just opened like that. नहीं तो हम कोशिश कर, I was thinking अच्छा प्रिंसिपल को केड़े पॉलिटिशियन नो लंबी हो, केड़े अफसर नो लंबी, you know, हमारा माइंड तो ऐसे चलता है कि कौन सी सिफारिश भी प्रिंसिपल कॉलेज. So वो तो just someone we knew who had been to the college. That person went and met the principal कि ऐसे लोग मैं प्रोग्राम करना है, कहते जी बुला लो, फेब में ही बुला लो, अभी बुला लो, अभी कर लो. So then we have to act. Then we can't say हम तो देव ऋषि जी बोल रहे थे हम जुलाई अगस्त में करेंगे अमेरिका से वापस आके, हमारा तो अगस्त का प्लान था, वो कहते फेब में करो. तो फटाफट we had to, you know, then do the plan, the event, and it went so well. So what also we need to understand in conclusion is that what is happening in Ananda. एक जया जी ने एक टॉक दी थी recently और उन्होंने बोला कि जब Ananda शुरू हुआ ना तो a group of devotees were sitting with Swami ji and he said, you know, that this is the most important thing happening on the planet right now. And वो एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं कि हम इतने जाने हैं, दुनिया इतनी बड़ी है, how can this be the most important thing happening on the planet right now? So, but now look at Ananda's presence. Once I think Devi ji mentioned, I think in almost all the countries have contacted Ananda for classes. Even they are like surprised. Even Jaya ji says, had I known this is the way it would have gone, maybe we could have put in more energy. So even when we all see and we are celebrating, you know, this room is full. So I think those of us who are in the beginning, it is a reason to celebrate. है ना, पर हमें लगता है कि पूरे चंडीगढ़ शहर में बस हम इतने ही लोग हैं, है ना, और इतने लुधियाना में होंगे, तो इनसे क्या बात बनेगी, है ना. पर अगर हम क्राइस्ट को देखें, there were by the end of it only 11 of his apostles who stayed. And you know, for 300 years Christianity was illegal. You had to hide and practice. There were secretly people would teach. You were not allowed. You would go to jail. And now you see that Christianity has become such a big movement worldwide. So same is with these teachings. We have to not forget who is behind this. Mahavatar Babaji, Jesus Christ, Master. They are behind this, and just I think few days ago Devrishi ji was saying, we are at a very, very early stage of this movement. We should not judge it by other spiritual paths where, you know, people have bhandaras or thousands of people. This movement is different. It has come. Abhi Dwapar Yug to shuru hua hai. कितना चलना है, 2400 साल चलना है, नवीन 2400 साल चलना है. अभी तो अगर हम संधि पीरियड भी मिला के आई थिंक 326 साल हुए हैं. तो अगर हम देखें दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं, अभी तो रात 3:15 हुए, 3:30 हुए, अभी तो घोर अंधेरा है बाहर. अगर उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में देखें, अभी we are at a very, very early stage, but we all have been come at this time. It is not an accident we all have come at this time. We have come to bring more light in times of darkness. You just see what is happening outside. It is chaotic. But I don't think any of us is that shaken because we know what the truth is. We know what is important in life. We know we have to have peace inside. And if we have a guru, we will be divinely protected. We don't have to feel scared. So I just end maybe with the story of Swami Triyananda ji. Some of you may be knowing he had a Bhrigu reading. You know, so उसमें reading में बहुत predictions की थी, और एक था कि there will be a time when, I mean I don't want to end it on a negative, but there is positive to it, that one person in every household will be, there will be weeping in every house. And he said chances, and we can see the way the wars are going. He says, but then people will come to your Ananda for safety, for solace. So what is happening here in Ananda is the solution. It is not the problem, it is the solution to the problems that the world is facing today. So we are part of the solution, and we should not underestimate the power of our sadhana, of our guru, of the path, of this lineage. So I'll end with a sweet story about this little bird. You know, जंगल में आग लगी होती है ना, तो एक पॉन्ड होता है, तो बर्ड क्या कर रही है, अपने चोंच में ना थोड़ा सा पानी लेके जाके आग बुझा रही है. हाँ, तो सारे जानवर हंसने लगते हैं कि इतनी बड़ी आग है, इतना बड़ा जंगल है, आप इतने पानी से क्या होगा? कहते नहीं, कहते जब मैं ऊपर जाऊंगी, गॉड विल आस्क व्हिच साइड वर यू ऑन, आपने आग लगाई कि आग बुझाई? तो कहती मेरी गिनती तो बुझाने वालों में आएगी ना। कहती जो मेरी कैपेबिलिटी है मैं 100% वो कर रही हूँ। सो आई थिंक Master says, you know, when we change ourselves, we do our part in changing the world. So our duty is to really embrace this path, embrace this space, embrace the center, embrace what, and be the part of the solution. The world needs us, you know. The world needs the teachings. World needs dedicated yogis, because to battle the darkness, a huge wave of light has to go out. And I think we all are there on the right side of things. So I think again, blessings to everyone, and again congratulations to all of you here in Chandigarh. It's a beautiful, beautiful special occasion, and this is just the beginning. So I think it is only going to grow and grow from here. So thank you.
Thank you.